Hey there traders, hope you guys are doing well. So in this video guys, I really want you guys to pay attention and actually watch the video from start to finish, because this is going to take you from being a 2 out of 10 trader to almost an 8 or 9 out of 10 trader instantly. Okay, you need to listen to exactly what I'm saying in this video, because trading, if you understand trading, what it's actually all about is money freedom and time freedom, and that's basically all we want out of trading. So what I'm going to show you in this video sums up all of that and shows you exactly what I've been doing for the past couple of months. Okay, and it's going to show you what you need to be doing in order to be profitable trading this exact method, this way that I'm showing you, with regards to spreads, commissions, strategy, all these things that you're not taking into consideration, your broker, and all these things, all simple things. It's a quick 12-minute video. Watch it to the end, and it's going to take your trading to the next level, because a lot of traders and channels don't actually speak about these things, and it might be the thing that's actually stopping you from being profitable. So please guys, pay attention. I'll catch you on the inside. It's been a while since I've made a video, but I'm really excited about what I'm about to speak about with you guys. So I know I've gone really against trading the lower time frames, such as the 5 minutes and the 1 minute and all that, but lately my broker has opened up an account. Well, a couple of months ago they started an account which offers raw spreads. I'm not promoting any brokers or anything like this. I'm just going to explain why this is so crucial for scalping and for day trading. So as you can see, that most of the two pairs that I've been trading or scalping over the past couple of weeks have been NZD USD and USD JPY. You can see the spread here is 0, right? So they offer an ECN raw spread, which means that there's commissions on the trades that you take, but the spreads are basically always at 0. And what I pay is, well, how it works is you pay $5 per lot on the commissions. So for every lot that you trade, you're paying basically $5, and you're not paying a spread. So let's say, for example, you trade one lot and you make $100, which is 10 pips. You'll pay $5 for the whole complete trade. So why is this important for scalping? Because when you're scalping, as you can see on this pair over here, the spread's now at 0. The market opens up, and once the market's settled, the spread is on 0. So you can see this gives you a lot more confidence in your scalping. You can see this is the 1 minute time frame. So as you can see here on the 1 minute time frame, for all the time frames, you'll see that the spread is basically at 0, right? So this gives you a lot of confidence when you're taking scalp trades. Okay, why is that? Because if you look at the 1 minute time frame, you can see the amount of opportunities that you get on the 1 minute time frame. Just for example, if we took a trade earlier, you can see on this pair USD JPY, if we got in at this level here and we got out here, you can see that's basically 10 pips. So when you're trading with such a low spread and commission based, or basically when the spread is at 0, it's just more appealing to the eye. And because when you trade with a big spread, for example, if you trade with a pair that has a big spread, that really, you can see here on the indices, they're not offering a raw spread. So if I bring up the indice, you can see now the difference in the spread. You can see how massive that is, and how it makes you lose confidence for your entry. Right, so if you're looking at the pairs with basically 0 spread, you can see how much more confidence now it gives you when you're taking your entry, because as soon as you enter the trade, you're either in profit or you're in loss. So when you enter the trade, it helps you, because you can move your trade immediately or quite quickly into profit, and put your stop at break even. So what this does is, on the lower time frame, such as the 1 minute time frame, it allows you to actually take nice scalp trades. This becomes very helpful when you're scalping on the lower time frames, because gives you a lot more confidence. Even on these lower time frames, the spread is so thin that you can just enter and you can take quick scalp trades. For example, on this pair over here, if we got in here and we wrote it up to here, that's basically 8 or 9 pips, and then you could be, if you're trading at a nice lot size, which once you get to a certain stage, you'll be trading at $30, $50 a point, and you could, just from here to here, you could make $300 or $400, in a single trade. Have your stop below the low. Because if you look at the 1 minute time frame, lately I've been trading the 1 minute time frame a lot, and you can see there's so many opportunities to make money. If we just look at Friday's session, on a pair like this, if I just zoom in, you know, we can see so many opportunities to make money, but also to recover. So if you, for example, let's just look at a trade example. I think I took this one on Friday. So I think I got in here, I saw a nice triple bottom here, and I got in here and I rode it up. Even a move like this is like 15 pips. So basically you'd be entering, if after we saw this nice bullish like hammer over here, you could set a limit order here. You know, you could set your stop. Always respect your stop though on the lower time frames. On the 1 minute, you have to respect your stop. That's one of the key things. You can see over here, I rode it from here up to here. You know, that's basically like 15 pips. But if I lost here, I would have been losing only about 4 or 5 pips. So the beauty of the lower time frames is if you respect your stop, the recovery is a lot less. Always minimize your recovery. You know what I mean? So if you lose a trade, always make sure that you don't have to recover much to actually win that back. But as you can see, multiple opportunities here on this 1 minute time frame. Even a little move like this, you know, this offered 10 pips. You easily on this 1 minute time frame, you can make between 10 to 20 pips a day, and then your whole day can be done. And a lot of these trades that I'm taking are literally, you'll get in and it's like 4 or 5 minutes and you're out of the trade and the trade is over. Because remember, what's trading all about? It's all about money freedom and time freedom. So the 1 minute time frame actually gives you both. You're actually killing 2 birds with 1 stone on this 1 minute time frame. You're getting the money freedom and you're getting the time freedom. Even if you need to recover, you're only in a trade for a couple of minutes. Say for example, we lost this trade, we could have got in here, and you know, we could have made those pips back in a few minutes, and then we could be break even. Then we could look for a trade to make profit, ride this one down 5 to 15 pips, and you're done for the day. So it's very important the point of this video is that I've been trying this 1 minute time frame scalping, taking about 3 trades a day, sometimes 4 trades a day, and I'm just looking for maybe 4 to 5 pips on each trade, sometimes even 3 pips. But let's just say I average about 4 pips a trade, and I'm taking 3 trades a day. You know, that's already 12 pips. Some trades I'm catching 8 to 10 pips, you know, so on average with the scalping I've been making about between 15 and 20 pips a day, taking 2, 3, maybe 4 trades a day. Some of the trades, Look if we had got in here off this nice pin bar here. For example, look how quickly your day could be over if you took a trade like this. You could get in, say we saw this nice bullish pin bar. They've taken out liquidity. We got in here. Then we had our stop below here. If we just down, now we got in about here, so we're risking here, you know, about 3 pips, and then look at this trade here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars later, which is 5 minutes later, you're up 20 pips. In 5 minutes you've made your money for the day. You're not working 9 to 5, you know, 8-9 hour day. You're literally in a trade for 5 minutes and you've made a good profit. That's if your lot size is decent. But the key principles if you're trading the 1 minute time frame scalping is that you have to realize you're not looking for big winners. See, we're not looking to ride this thing up from here to the moon and make 50 pips. We're just looking for 5 to 10 pips, and we're getting out, sometimes a little bit more. Okay, the second is so you can't be greedy. The second thing is you got to respect your stop, because understanding if you take your stop, your recovery is only going to be 3 or 4 pips, so it's going to be very easy to recover your actual loss. So there's huge benefits to actually trading the 1 minute time frame, or even if you step it up to the 5 minutes, it makes a bit of it slows it down a bit. But I've been doing this on the 1 minute time frame because the recovery is so quick. So there's so many benefits to actually trading the 1 minute time frame, as long as you respect your emotions and you respect your stop loss. But literally you can take 2 or 3 trades a day like this. If we look at Friday's session, I think the week before there was some really nice, the day before there was some really nice setups. I think it was this day. Now sometimes the market ranges quite a bit, so it's, you're getting all these nice bounces of support, little bounces of support. nice bounces off resistance. There's just so many opportunities on this time frame just to scalp. But the key thing is to have the zero spread, from your broker. You can't be trading like, look, if we're trading the NASDAQ, it's very difficult to get onto the right side of the market if your spread is wide like this. It doesn't give you confidence. As you can see, what would you prefer to trade? This pair here with that wide spread, or would you prefer to trade a pair like this with almost a zero spread? This will go down to zero. It fluctuates at 0 or 1. It just gives you a lot more confidence. So if you're scalping and if you're day trading, you need to find a broker that offers you zero spreads or very, very low spreads, low commissions, and they're fully regulated and all of that, because it's going to make a big difference to the cost of your trades and also your confidence when you're entering these scalp trades. And the last thing is you need to have a daily target. So once you've hit, like with me, once I've hit about 15 pips for the day, once I've scalped those, taken 2 or 3 trades, sometimes it happens in one trade, but most of the time it's 2 or 3 trades, because I'm looking for 4 to 5 pips per trade. Once I've hit 15 pips for the day or so, then I call it quits. Once I've made, $200, $300, $400 for the day, then I call it quits. So that's basically setting yourself a daily target is key. All right, because you don't want to, because eventually if you keep coming back in, and the big reason why day traders lose is because they keep coming back in all the time, and they get onto the wrong side of the market, and then they get emotional, and then they screw up. Because remember, the human brain can only keep focus for about 30 minutes on a task. So you only want to really be trading for about half an hour to max an hour a day. Most of these trades are, as I said before, I'm in them for 3 or 4 minutes, taking 2 or 3 of those a day, sometimes even 1, and then my day is finished, and I've got 8 or 9 hours to relax and do whatever else. I hope this video helped you guys. It's really been beneficial for me. I'm going to keep monitoring. I'll update you guys on my progress. A lot of day traders trade this way. You won't believe it, but I wasn't able to do that before because my broker didn't offer 0 pip spread. So only recently I've opened up this account, and it's been really, psychologically it's been hugely beneficial because of the low spreads. But you got to try it for yourself, and you'll see how beneficial it is to your trading. But the key things is respect your stop, respect your size, take quick profits, get out, have a daily target, and then call it quits, shut down the laptop, and then have a weekly target after that, monthly target. Be realistic with your targets, and then shut it down and move on with your day, because trading's all about time freedom and money freedom. Peace, guys. Hope this helped you. Take care for now. Bye.